John Deere 466 engines. This is a 4650 core. Customer bought a used engine from us, and the customer says, or maybe the dealership says, that the has a split liner and water's in the oil. How do they know that? I'm not a mechanic. I have no idea. I did look at the oil pan, did look at the head, could not see where it's been removed. So obviously, as a tech, you're going to be way smarter than I am or we are. That's why we don't want to tell a tech what to do. The hardest part of this repair program we've had, especially with these older engines, is what is it you want us to do? And most people just go out of the gate like they work in a dealership and it's a $25,000 quote. We can't spend that type of money because the customer won't pay that type of money. We're not trying to sell a reman 50 series 466. We just need to sell a good runnable engine. So if an overhaul kit would solve this problem, we're great. Let's buy a new overhaul kit, let's install it, and let's go. We're ready. We got probably 100 of these engines we could do. So they're in high demand, no one's doing them, and the disconnect is techs asking us what to do to it. So basically, there's a component tech manual or their service advisor that would tell a tech what to check and inspect as he disassembled the engine looking for an issue. It also tells the tech, or at least how I interpret it, it tells me what to check on the way down. So I'm going to check my liner height, I'm going to check certain things on my head, I'm going to check a lot of things on the way down so that I know before I'm going to reassemble that I've got to have something worked on. Now, if you're the tech that says, well, the head, the block, the crank, the rods, the oil pump, the fuel pump, the injectors, the water pump, and the turbo all have to go off to a machine shop to get remanufactured, you know, you're not the person for the job, because that's not controlling cost. You know, controlling cost is being smart with the money, and we're not trying to be cheap, but the customers are just not going to pay that. So if you can, if you're interested in the work, we have plenty of it. We're just looking for the right partner to do these style engines that can build a quality piece, stand behind their work, not cut corners, and keep a lot of these old tractors running. So if you're interested, we're just looking for a quote. We can use this specific one. Give you the engine model number and serial number. If you want to know the application, again, it was a 4650 John Deere. So you submit a quote with some details about it, and we're ready to go.